If you are ready to light your landscape, create a rustic fence line, or upgrade your mailbox with a granite post, it's important to know how you're going to dig the post holes. A post hole is more than simply a hole in the ground. It is a narrow, straight, and deep cut into the earth at a specific size in a particular place that could contain obstacles such as large stones, roots, or utility lines. Polycor granite posts add instant appeal to any outdoor space. When digging holes for granite posts, there are certain things to keep in mind before you start your project. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a granite lamp post to get the job done right the first time, saving you time and labor. Cut from solid blocks of genuine natural stone from Polycor's local quarries, granite lamp posts come with 2-side split-faced and 2-side thermal finished. Overall measurements are 7 inches by 7 inches by 96 inches high and come pre-drilled through the center for running wire. Begin by determining the location of the post, reserving enough space to allow for clearance around any obstacles. Here, between a patio garden wall and fence. Mark the center of the post aligned with the prepared wiring. Before starting to dig, contact your local utilities company or dial 811. Measure an 18-inch diameter circle and use marking spray paint to indicate the dig line. Cut out the approximate size of sod with a sharp spade or lawn edger and use a shovel post hole digger or power auger to excavate the hole to the proper depth, in this case 30 inches deep. It is recommended to bury the bottom third of the post below grade when complete for the best stability. Add a few inches of aggregate to the bottom of hole. Granite posts can be set in either gravel or concrete. It is recommended to set the post in 3/4 inch washed stone, which is easily permeable, drains well, and provides strong reinforcement. All granite posts weigh approximately 500 pounds each, so be prepared with the right equipment for lifting posts into place. Here, we are using a bobcat with nylon straps wrapped around the forks to assist with maneuvering the post. Once set, backfill the hole with 3/4 inch washed stone. Adjusting post for plumb with a long level to be sure it remains true throughout the compaction process. Finish off the lamp post by gluing a 10x10 Polycor granite post cap to the top and add the desired lighting fixture for a perfect landscape accent. Brighten up your outdoor space with the durability and elegance of Polycor natural stone.